Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a Bobcat T76. We're going to start by taking this oil filter off, and then there will also be a drain hose that's located on the side of the engine, and it's right here. And you're going to want to route this down and out through that hole so that you'll be able to drain it into your oil pan. And there will be a nut on the end of that hose. Crack that nut off right here, and then just let it drain into that pan. Then go grab your favorite pair of filter wrenches. Mine are these claws. Put them on this oil filter and just crack that thing loose. You're also going to want to put down some napkins right over that alternator and the starter motor that were right there, so you don't get any oil on them. And pull that filter out, and you're going to want to clean that mating surface right here. You see how it's covered in oil? I'm going to make that, brand new clean. And then we can put this new filter on. It's a 7343102. I'm going to grab a little bit of oil and rub it around the seal. And then I'm going to put this back here, twist it back on. And it might be a pain in the ass to get seated back onto the threads, so you might have to wiggle it up and down. It's also a lot harder with the one hand and filming and everything, so you can watch me struggle. But I finally got it seated, twist it all the way, and then just hand tighten that thing. And then I would throw this drain plug on once we stop draining oil and snug that up too. And then wipe everything down and fill it back up with some 15W40. Taking 2.5 gallons.